Protein bars. I've tried many protein bars in my life, even the so-called clean label ones. And today, they are everywhere. Almost every working professional and even the clients I counsel carry one in their bag. In fact, one of the most common questions asked by my clients at the Nutrition clinics is, which protein bar is good, Mr. Fernando? So today, in this video, I'll tell you whether protein bars are healthy or not. Can they replace a meal? How often should you eat a protein bar? Who can eat them? And which ones you should avoid? Most people don't realize this. Recent dietary surveys and consumer data suggest that nearly 40 to 45% of Indians are using protein bars or crackers as a morning snack or even as a breakfast replacement. This means that many people are starting their day with a processed bar thinking they're making a healthy choice for convenience. While 73% of Indians are estimated to be protein deficient, the market for functional foods like protein bars is growing, particularly among urban, health-conscious and fitness-oriented consumers. This shift is largely driven by rising awareness around protein intake, fear of deficiency, and the promise of quick, convenient nutrition in busy lifestyles. But increased awareness doesn't always mean better choices, and that's where the confusion begins. And that's exactly why this conversation is important, because protein bars are not magic foods. They are tools, and tools only work when used correctly. Hi, I'm Fernando, your celebrity nutritionist. So today, let's break this down one by one. First, are protein bars healthy or unhealthy? It depends. Not all protein bars are good or bad. Some are well balanced while others are just loaded with sugar, chocolate, additives and chemicals. So the first thing to do is simple. Flip the pack and check the ingredient list. Ask yourself, are the ingredients natural and recognizable? Are there chemicals or additives added? Does it contain sugar? If so, what's the sugar content? Are there emulsifiers or fillers? And do you see the names that don't sound like real food? That's what decides whether a protein bar is okay to eat occasionally or better left on the shelf. Number 2, can a protein bar replace a meal? As I mentioned earlier, people nowadays are relying on protein bars as a meal replacement. No, it's truly not a good idea. Even if the bar has protein, it often lacks an adequate amount of fiber, micronutrients and antioxidants. So no matter what, replacing a protein bar with a meal is a bad idea. A balanced meal provides bulk nutrients and real satiety. So protein bars are okay as a snack, not as a replacement for a proper meal. Number 3, are protein bars good for weight loss? Yes. Sometimes no. If your calories, protein and sugar match your goals, they can work. But if not, a bar can just add unnecessary sugar and calories. So this step connects directly to the first question. Ingredients and portion matters. What really decides weight loss is what the protein bar is replacing. If you're using a protein bar instead of a higher calorie snack, then yes, you may lose weight because your overall calorie intake is lower. But it's not the protein bar itself causing the weight loss. It's the calorie control and the better substitution that makes the difference. Number 4, how can you eat them? Occasional use is fine. Daily reliance is not ideal in my book. Think of protein bars as a backup when you can't get a proper meal. And if you've come so far, watch till the end. I have a special gift for you. Number 5, can people with diabetes eat protein bars? Some protein bars can spike your blood sugar, especially the ones with hidden sugars or other syrups, chemical additives and preservatives, which can also influence high blood sugar levels. See this chart. It clearly shows what to avoid, what to check and what sweeteners are safe. Take a screenshot and check it the next time you buy a protein bar. The verdict, it depends. Check the sugar content, type of bar and portion size. Always flip the pack and read the ingredients and consult your nutritionist before eating. Use protein bars only as a snack, not a meal replacement, to keep your blood sugar stable. You want the best for your family? So do I. But sometimes, even with our ghar ka khana, something doesn't feel right. When you see your parents moving slowly than they used to, your child lacking energy to play, or your loved ones quietly struggling with digestion, it can feel really helpless. And that's where we step in with the power of nutrition. At Nutrition clinics, we believe your genes are your body's unique code, passed on by your ancestors, but shaped and modified by today's lifestyle. By decoding this, we find out what truly suits you and what silently triggers you. From genetic testing to blood work, gut microbiome analysis, functional medicine, and food intolerance testing, we uncover the real scientific story behind your health, so that on a long-term basis, you know what really suits your body and what actually does not. With this knowledge, we create personalized, science-backed plans that actually work for you and your family. No guesswork, no trends, No crash diets, just health solutions that are tailored to you and your loved ones. Because when it comes to health, every drop of insight counts. Hoa Nutrition, health that's personal for every generation. Number 6, who should eat protein bars? Adults? Kids? Older adults? Let's break it down. Adults? Only occasionally, depending on goals. Kids? A big no. Kids need real food, not processed protein. All these processed foods, colorful ingredients for attraction and other chemicals harm their developing brain, and it might affect their brain function and in future might cause even more severe health issues. Even if you still want to give them homemade protein bars. It's the best. In fact, for my kid, when he goes to boarding school, to meet his protein requirement, we get homemade organic protein bars for him using natural nuts and seeds, and we add a scoop of plant-based protein in that. For the recipe, you can click the link below to get Ryan Fernando's homemade kid protein bar. Now, for older adults, again, no. As they grow old, the body becomes fragile to accept new foods and their digestion actually slows down, and the processed food might affect their body and cause health issues. So just giving them a natural Ghar ka khana is the best, as it is cooked with love and care for the old people. In fact, I fortify the food for my elderly parents with protein collagen, but I do not give them a protein bar because the concentration of protein minus the fiber could create significant constipation and gastric issues for my parents. So word of caution for older people, only with a medical nutritionist should you give them a protein bar. In case you want this collagen to fortify your elderly parents' protein diet, click the link in the description below where you can pick up this collagen. Finally, protein bars are yes or no. Yes as a tool. Once in a while, use them occasionally if needed. No as a lifestyle because it cannot replace healthy, homemade food and natural protein sources. Okay, now, as I had mentioned earlier, I would be giving you a gift. This gift is a homemade protein bar recipes. Yes, find the PDF in the description below. These are protein bars you can actually make at home. No chemical additives, no preservatives, no artificial flavors, just natural ingredients. In fact, my son Icon gets recipes from these prepared at home when he goes off to boarding, because as a gluten-free and a lactose-free kid, he can't enjoy all the dishes prepared in his boarding. So we give this as a natural dessert for him. Now you can enjoy them too, guilt-free, once in a while, and make sure you match them with your meal plan so you don't add extra calories or underfeed your protein. I've also included all the calorie information for each bar. So if you're trying to lose weight, you can easily balance them with your daily intake and stay on track without compromising your goals. So remember, if you want these homemade bar recipes, click the link in the description. If you want a personalized diet plan that includes these protein bars, which helps you hit your protein goals and also adds your favorite healthy homemade snacks without messing up your nutrition, my team and I can help. We'll create a custom plan tailored to your body, lifestyle, routine, genetic test, microbiome test, making it practical for your convenience. Remember, I work with the film stars, but also remember, it's not just about eating protein like the film stars do. It's about eating it the right way, the personal way, at the right time, and in a way that works for your own body. Remember, protein bars also need to be bio-individual. The only way you can do it is by making your diet smarter, easier, and more enjoyable. And watch videos like this where I will give you the recipes and educate you about having a healthier diet. So I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, that's up to you. But do me a favor, instead of gifting your friend a protein bar next time, gift them this video.